consolidated range और कुछ और मुनाफा वसूली की expectation?
Yes. Thanks, Manisha ji. And basically, this today's or last couple of days fall is basically palm has come down after some rally. Palm has taken a beating. This is consequent of China has washed out some of the palm oil vessels on palm, maybe due to profit taking or maybe they have got enough stocks. So that has triggered palm to come down in the last couple of days. Number two, there is of course there are a lot of COVID fears and Horeca demand destruction potentially because situation from the major country like India is under lockdown like last year same period COVID situation bhi hai. But coming back to mustard, mustard had a very big run all along, more than anticipated. सोयाबीन में भी काफ़ी तेजी आया था एंटिसिपेशन से भी ज़्यादा, तो करेक्शन होके अभी ठीक हो गया है. ये मार्च और अप्रैल में अच्छा क्रश हो गया. रेपसीड ऑयल टुडे इज 152, पाम ऑयल इज 134, सोया इज 145. सो रेपसीड इज ट्रेडिशनली बहुत प्रीमियम ऑयल होता है, अबाउट 35 रुपीज more than palm and soya, but today it is still reasonably priced. So for that reason, though the rapeseed prices have come down, I think today we don't see much of a arrival pressure also. But if you ask me medium term, in the next 1 month, like we've been saying for a long time, I think probably the peaks are going to be, the bulls are going to be somewhat tired. There will be more oil from Indonesia. There are COVID uncertainties. Palm supplies are growing. Argentina basis for soya is also crashed a lot in the last 1 week. So global cues are somewhat like stagnant to easing off. So that is what the Indian market is seeing right now. So I think probably sideways रहेगा market अभी.
दोनों ही एक्सपर्ट्स का यही मानना है कि बाजार यहाँ से साइडवेज रह सकते हैं. तेजी की उम्मीद नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ से बाजार बहुत गिरेंगे ऐसा भी नहीं लगता. मस्टर्ड या सरसों की अगर बात करें तो जैसे सुधाकर जी आपने कहा कि यहाँ पर आवक मोस्टली खत्म हो चुकी है बाजार में. प्रीमियम पे ये यूजली भाव चढ़ता है, लेकिन जैसे बाकी तेलों में हमने बढ़त आते हुए देखी है तो यहाँ पर वो प्रीमियम काफी शॉर्ट होता हुआ नजर आया है. तो अगर ओवरऑल एडिबल ऑयल पैक की बात की जाए, क्या सरसों में यहाँ पर अभी भी सपोर्ट है?
Yes. I think mustard will continue to feel supported. When I say arrivals are low, it doesn't mean that arrivals खत्म हो गया. It only means that the farmers are still thinking कि रेपसीड का दाम अच्छा ही मिलेगा. इसका कारण बेसिकली ऑयल कंपैरिजन से होगा. तो बाकी तेलों से मस्टर्ड का जो यूजुअल प्रीमियम रहता है वो इतना प्रीमियम नहीं है. तो इसलिए फार्मर भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता है कि रेपसीड अभी देखिए रेपसीड इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. मार्च अप्रैल में एक 10 लाख टन ज्यादा क्रश हो गया compared to normal because it was attractive enough. That means 10 lakh tons is off the supply grid for the next rest of the year. So it can actually trigger farmers or anybody to say, okay, there is not much downside in rapeseed, which is good for the farmers. Oil is cheaper enough compared to others. 10 lakh tons got crushed more already. And you have to survive this rapeseed till next February with the oil demand being good and competitive. So I think mustard complex is, to my mind, appears good and constructive right now.
Okay.
I mean, so simply put, you would buy the dips.
All right. यानी सरसों में भी खरीदारी करके काम करना है, लेकिन बाकी खाने के तेलों में कुछ बहुत अब मुनाफा वसूली आ सकती है.